Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Randoms. Today we're looking at another Peace Tea. This is the third and final Peace Tea review I got coming for you guys. Unfortunately, or actually, did I review the... No, I didn't, never mind, I didn't review the pink lemonade, sorry. Did I? No, I don't think I did, but whatever. So yeah, this is the last Peace Tea review I got, at least until next time me or one of my friends goes to the States. I mentioned before, Zach brought these three back for me. This is the Peace Tea Cranberry Tea. So I like the can of this one. Let me show you. I think this might be my favorite of the three cans. So it says up here, Cranberry Tea. It's got the 99-cent tag on there, just like Arizona's. Peace Tea. There's always somebody doing the peace sign with their hand on the very front. And then, so it's got like a sort of like a cranberry, I think it's called a bog, where they grow cranberries. And there's a guy harvesting them, and then they have like a little scenery going on here, and the lighthouse in the... I really do like the Peace Tea cans. I think they're very cool. They always have like a cool sort of like event going on that's related to the flavor, so it's really cool. And as always, it says 100% natural tea, no artificial flavors, no preservatives, and no artificial colors. Now, I'm not... Yeah. Okay, this is tough. There we go. I'm not too big a fan of cranberry stuff, so this might be not... I had the Arizona cranberry tea once a while ago, and I wasn't too big a fan of it, I don't think. But, you know, maybe it'll be okay. Who knows? So, yeah, let's get this thing started. Okay, so it smells, actually smells a lot like Monster Rehab. It's the Rojo tea, the red Rehab. It smells good. That's actually not bad at all. I'm really actually pleasantly surprised, you know. Normally cranberry juice, cranberry teas, cranberry pretty much anything is just really not my cup of tea, but this is actually really, really good. Like the cranberry, it tastes like it's just sort of like half cranberry and then half raspberry and then mixed with tea. Rather than just straight cranberry, which I think makes it a lot better. It's a lot less sort of pungent and bitter tasting. It's like the raspberry flavor kind of smooths it over and gives it a more pleasant, light, sweet flavor. So actually, I think you might be able to taste the tea a little more in this one than the raspberry Peace Tea, but it actually tastes similar to the raspberry one. But there's a little cranberry flavor in there, which actually makes it pretty good. So I actually am pleasantly surprised with this, and I really wish that I would be able to get it here, because I would drink this, especially if it's 99 cents. So I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. It's nothing fancy. It's nothing like mind-blowingly good or anything, but I mean, it's good enough, you know, like it's good enough to be something that I could probably drink on a regular basis. And the taste is very comparable to the Monster Rehab Rojo tea. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for the Java Monster Russian review coming up soon, and thank you for watching.